Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. Today we'll solve article views 1, problem number 1148. So what we have is we have a views table which have the following column: article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. There is no primary key column with the unique values for this table. The table may have duplicate rows. Okay. Each row of this table indicate that some viewer viewed an article that is written by some author on the some date. Note that equal author ID and viewer ID indicate the same person. So whenever the author ID is equals to viewer ID, we indicate that the same author has viewed his own article. You have to find out what you have to find out. You have to find out all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. So at least means at least once time the author ID should be equals to the viewer ID, and then we have to return the result table sorted by ID in the ascending order. So here, if you see in this example, you can clearly see that 7 and 4 are the authors basically who has same author ID and viewer ID, means that this particular author has viewed his own article. Okay, and the result is sorted in ascending order. So we'll write our query over here. Select. If you want to select article ID, suppose we select the author ID. Author ID as ID from views table, where your author ID is equals to viewer ID. Order by your author ID. Yes, ascending. So here what we are doing is that basically we are selecting the ID. Let's get the distinct ID. We're selecting distinct ID, distinct value for author ID as ID from the views table, where our author ID is equals to viewer ID. So whenever the condition is whenever the condition is like your author ID is equals to your viewer ID, at that particular time we can say that the author has viewed his own article, and we are sorting this whole table by author ID in ascending format. If you run this query, you get the output. See, you get 4 and 7 as the two authors which have same values for author ID and viewer ID. Means they have viewed his their own article. So that's it. Thank you.